So this is going to just be a small video about negative indexing. So we've gone over positive indexing, and just to review, if we did things, and then if we put a positive integer between 0 and 2 in this case, it will correspond to the items in this list. So if we put thing 0, it will be the first item, and if we put things 2, it will be the last item because the indexing starts from 0. So 2, this would be 0, this one would be 1, and this one would be 2. So that's positive indexing, but what if we put negative numbers in here? So what if we did things minus 1? I'm going to give you a second to think about what might happen here. And if we hit enter, what actually happens is it gets the last item of the list. So this is really helpful if you don't actually know how long your list is. You can get the last item in your list by adding a minus and then 1. But what if we wanted to get the second to last item in this list? Well, the way we do that is we just write things and then minus 2. And this will get the second to last item in this list. And then to get the third to last item in this list, which is actually coincidentally the first item in this list, we can do things minus 3.